Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Vocab listening channel. Today, we're going to follow a simple and fun conversation at a convenience store. You will listen to a story about two friends, Anna and David. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can relax and enjoy. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. It will help you understand better. Here is the question. What does David want to drink at the first store? The answer is inside the conversation, so listen closely. If you find the answer, try to write it in English in the comments. This is a great way to improve your English skills. All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
That class was really long today.
Yes, I'm happy it's finally over.
Me too. I'm so tired now.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, just a little hungry.
Really? Did you eat lunch today?
Yes, but it was a while ago. I'm hungry again.
I see. I didn't eat much for lunch either.
Oh, that's too bad. I also really want something to drink.
Me too. I'm so thirsty. What do you want to drink?
Maybe green tea or water, something cold.
That sounds nice. I want a cold drink too. Where can we get something? Is there a store nearby?
Yes, do you want to go to a convenience store?
A convenience store? That's a great idea.
There's one close by. We can walk there.
Really? Where is it?
Right over there. Can you see it?
Oh, yes, I see it. Let's go.
Perfect. We can get a drink and maybe a small snack too.
I want a drink and maybe a rice ball or sandwich.
Rice balls sound good. I really like them.
Me too. They're easy to eat and taste great.
Yes, and they're not too expensive.
Convenience stores have a lot of cheap, tasty food.
Let's go see what they have.
Okay. Here we are. Let's go inside.
Wow, so many options here.
Yes. What do you want to check first?
Let's start with drinks.
Where are they?
At the back of the store.
Oh, I see. There are so many kinds.
I want something cold, maybe water or juice.
I think I'll get green tea. I really like it.
Green tea is a good choice. I'll get orange juice today.
That sounds good. Sweet and cold. Perfect for today.
Okay, let's check the food now.
Sure. Oh, rice balls.
Yes, many types. This one looks good.
What's inside that one?
Salmon, very popular.
I love salmon.
Delicious. I get it a lot.
I'll get this tuna rice ball. It looks great.
Great choice. Let's check sandwiches too.
Look at this egg sandwich. So soft and tasty.
I already have a rice ball, so I'll skip it.
What about snacks over there?
Potato chips. Maybe next time.
I'm good. Rice ball and orange juice ready.
Let's pay now. Hello. I'd like to buy these, please.
Of course. One salmon rice ball and one green tea?
Actually, can I add another rice ball too?
No problem. That's 2 rice balls and 1 green tea. Is that everything?
Yes, that's all.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Do you want me to heat the rice balls?
Oh, yes, that would be great.
Sure. About 30 seconds.
Thank you so much.
Here you go. They're warm now.
Perfect. Thank you.
Do you need chopsticks?
No, I'm fine without them.
Okay, cash or card?
Cash, please.
That will be 650 yen.
Here's 1,000 yen.
Thank you. Here's your change, 350 yen.
Thanks. Can I get a receipt?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your meal.
Got everything. The rice balls are warm.
That's great. How many did you get?
2. Added 1 more last minute.
Nice. 2 rice balls is plenty.
I was really hungry. The orange juice is perfect.
I'm glad you like it. That store is really good.
Yes, and my green tea is so refreshing.
I want something sweet too. Ice cream, cake, or pudding.
Another convenience store? We just went to one.
I know, but look, there's another one nearby.
Short walk. Let's go.
Hope they have nice desserts.
I want ice cream. What about you?
Not sure. Let's see first.
Good idea. Perfect weather for a walk.
Feels refreshing outside.
Almost there.
This store looks different.
Yes, desserts over there.
Wow, pudding. Looks delicious.
Have you tried it before?
Yes, it's very good.
Okay, I'll take it.
I'm looking at ice cream. Flavors?
Chocolate, vanilla, or combo.
Combo sounds perfect. I'll get that.
Good choice. Hot snacks, too. Fried chicken and meat buns.
Meat buns? Looks tasty, but I'll skip.
I'll get one myself.
Coffee, too? Want one?
I'll take a hot coffee. Goes with meat bun.
Can I pay for your pudding?
Really? Are you sure?
Of course.
Thanks. That's kind of you.
All right, let's pay.
Hello. What will it be today?
1 ice cream, pudding, coffee, and a meat bun, please.
Pork or chicken for the meat bun?
Pork, please.
Coffee hot or iced?
Hot.
Small or large?
Small.
Milk or sugar?
Just milk, no sugar.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Bag?
Yes, please.
That's 1,100 yen.
Here's 1,500 yen.
Thank you. Here's 400 yen change.
Thanks.
Meat bun ready. Coffee at the machine.
Got it. Thanks.
That's a lot. Ice cream, pudding, coffee, and meat bun.
I really wanted something sweet today.
The pudding is for me, right?
Yes, here you go.
Can't wait. Today was fun.
We bought so many things.
At the first store, tuna rice ball and orange juice.
2 rice balls and green tea for me.
Second store, ice cream, meat bun, and coffee.
Maybe too many things, but all look good.
And you got pudding for me. Thanks.
That's what friends do.
Convenience stores are really handy.
So true. Food, drinks, snacks, desserts, everything.
Open every day, all the time.
I go there almost every day.
Wow, 5 or 6 times a week?
They're convenient, easy to use.
Exactly. Always what you need. Wonderful day today.
Me too. Let's do this again.
Next week, another store?
Yes, try new snacks. Maybe fried chicken.
I can't wait.
Me neither. Let's go home now.
Right. It's getting late.
Thanks for today. See you at school tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
How was it? I hope this helped your English. One more time. What does David want to drink at the first store? Write your answer in the comments. Practicing output helps you learn faster. Subscribe, like, and comment if you enjoyed this. Channel memberships are available. Your support helps me continue making videos. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye.